Divols and team, many congratulations on your 4th work anniversary. I'm sure it has been rocking 4 years for all of you guys. Thank you, Daman. Thank you, everybody who's a part of the team. Thanks for making our most special day, which was 9th of February when we got married, a very special day. You guys have done a tremendous job. Thanks for every moment that you've captured. Thanks for every single click that you have done. Thanks a ton. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the picture.
And thanks a ton for this beautiful picture. Very well taken. Daman, great job, man. You rock, buddy. You rock.
Happy anniversary to Divols Production. It has been great knowing Daman and his team for the last 4 years. They have created a lot of amazing videos for our family, and I wish them best of luck and hope to be continuing to work with them in the future.
Thank you. Many congratulations.
Bye.
Hi Divols Production, Daman and entire team. Congratulations
for completing 4 years. Thank you for all the moments you captured and make it memorable for us.
until yet. Whatever you have done for us, it's actually appreciable.
Really appreciate your hard work. Keep up the good work.
Thank you so much. We'll recommend it for every single person until yet, and hope the things will go on and on. Thank you so much. Lots of love from Dubai. Thank you.
Congratulations Team Divols. Wish you many more successful years. Happy 4 years and congratulations.
Wish you a very happy 4th anniversary Divols Production. And thank you for making our special moments very memorable. And thanks for very nice clicks.
Hello everyone, wishing Divols Production many congratulations for completing 4 years. As you guys said, we were your first kind of a traditional event, but you guys did a splendid job, and I would recommend everybody to go for you. Wishing Daman Paji and the entire team of Divols Production all the best for all your future endeavors. Keep rocking.
Congratulations Daman Viji for completing 4 years of your Divols Production. मैं बहुत खुश हाँ कि मैंने तुझे मिल गए because मेरा बहुत काम सौखा हो गया. Thank you for making such amazing videos and just keep going. चढ़ती कर.
Happy 4-year anniversary for Divols Production Daman. And मुझे आज भी याद है जब पहली बार तूने मुझे बताया था कि you are starting your own Divols Production. I was like, wow, that's crazy because I still remember you always wanted to do something in this field and you were very passionate about it. And I know it's not been an easy journey, but you have stood strong. You did a lot of things. For you, I know you have been the best example we can look at, always trying to be creative, doing new things, trying new things. बहुत कुछ सीखा है तूने. And you did a great job in my cousin's wedding as well. So, we love your work. And I wish you all the best, and I know next year is going to be big तेरे business के लिए because 5वां साल is gonna be exciting, man, seriously. And I know you're not stopping here. तेरे dreams बहुत बड़े हैं, and I wish you all the best. We'll see you soon in Canada and doing projects all over the world. And I don't know how it's gonna work out, but yeah, it's gonna work out and you'll be big one day.
Congratulations to Divols Production for completing the fantastic 4 years. It's been an amazing working with you. मैंने आपके साथ chocolate shoot भी किया हुआ है, makeup shoot भी किया हुआ है, and everybody loved it. And you are an amazing artist, no doubt. All the best.
Congratulations Divols on completing 4 years. An amazing work, Daman Bhai. Within these 4 years, you have achieved so much, and not in just terms of the projects, but the connections you have made. And most importantly, तूने सब कुछ scratch से किया यार, सब कुछ खुद किया तूने, and we are all proud of you for this. Hope to see you soon, and good luck bro, ऐसे ही लगा रहा है.
Congratulations Divols Production for awesome 4 years. Wish you all the very best for the future. And Daman Singh,
You are seriously a Kamal ka photo artist. Keep going, keep growing.
Happy 4th anniversary to the Walls production team and my dear friend Daman Singh. Cheers and more success to you, brother.
Happy anniversary D Walls production. A big congratulations to Daman Singh, Jaspreet Singh and to the whole team on completing 4 years of D Walls production. This is just a beginning, a long way to go. And I know what photography means to you and how passionate you are. Just keep going, keep working hard.
Congrats for the 4 years of your journey, bro. Keep working hard and bang it. The work with your work is amazing. All the best.
Happy anniversary to Dave Walls production. ऐसे ही अच्छा काम करते रहो, brother. Love you so much.
Happy anniversary to D Walls. Keep shining, bro.
Congratulations to the whole team of D Walls production on their 4th anniversary. I wish him all the luck for the future endeavors.
Congratulations. It's the 4th year anniversary of the Walls production and keep doing the great work. Keep achieving great heights.
Many congratulations to D Walls production on their 4th anniversary. दमन मेरे रब तेनू और चढ़ने कला विच रखे और वधिया काम इसी तरह करता रहे. All the best for your future, brother.